Hi, I'm Brian with Brinkley RV, and today we're going to go through just a few of the items you should check before you depart for your trip. First item you're going to check is your refrigerator. Make sure that the items inside the refrigerator are stowed so they will not shift around during transit. And then you want to take your fridge lock located in the cabinet next to your microwave and insert it into the latch here so your doors are not open during transit. The next item you're going to want to check is your cabinets. Make sure there's no heavy items in here or any of the other cabinets that could shift around during transit. If you do have those items, make sure you store them in a secure area and then make sure all of your cabinet doors are properly secured. Next, you're going to want to take out the glass plate from your microwave, put it in a secure location. I recommend putting it in a drawer with a couple of towels. Next, we're going to make sure our entertainment sofas are in the locked upright position. Next, you're going to make sure that your trifold sofa is properly put away and your pillows secured. After the trifold sofa, make sure that your TV is in the fully lowered position and also properly secured with the table down. Now we're going to secure our dinette chairs for travel. The wall side chair legs will fit into the bracket located against the wall, and use the provided straps to Velcro the legs together so that neither chair will move. Next, we're going to show you how to secure the ottoman to the wall for transit. Take your strap on the back, put your ottoman in place, pull it through underneath the tabletop, and then secure it. Once you have your strap secured, place your tabletop down. You can take your backrest and line it up with the magnets on the back. So now we're going to slide the door closed and show how the latch feature works for travel. We'll slide the door closed and then bring this black latch down. Slide that back and the latch is on. The last step for the bathroom is to make sure if you have any heavy items within the medicine cabinet that they are secured, and then make sure that the door is latched. Next, make your way to the bedroom and ensure that your closet doors are fully closed and latched using the lock provided, and all of your wardrobes are also closed. Make sure to go through the entire coach and close every window. Make sure that you close all of your baggage doors, turn off all of your propane, and latch the doors. Next, we're going to bring in our awnings and slides. First, we're going to bring in awning number 1, then awning number 2. And just make sure that everything is clear from your awnings. After you get your awnings in, you want to bring in your slides. And it's important to make sure that you have nothing in the way of your slides when they close. To bring in the slides, you're going to hit the in button until your slide comes fully into the coach. You're going to bring in your slide 2, your kitchen slide. And don't forget about your bedroom slide. Also in the interior, you want to make sure that all of your interior doors are closed and latched. Your Brinkley is equipped with 2 battery disconnects. You're going to make sure the one in your pass-through storage is off, while the one located within the bulkhead is on. To turn it off, you're just going to turn the dial to the left, and the arrow is pointed to the red. After you've turned off the main battery disconnect with the pass-through storage, you're going to come up into the bulkhead and make sure that this battery disconnect is on. Make sure the green arrow is pointed up to the green on sticker located on the switch. Before you depart, always make sure to check your axles, tires, wheel torques, PSI, and we have separate videos going over each of these topics in depth. For information regarding connecting your 7-way plug and your breakaway switch, you can also reference the in-depth videos we covered these subjects in. If you plan on utilizing the rear hitch receiver on the Brinkley, make sure to utilize your safety chains, your 4-way plug, and you can reference the video we went into the subject with, which goes into more detail. Before you travel, you always want to make sure that all of your tanks are fully emptied so you don't have excess weight while you're traveling down the road. And lastly, you want to walk around the entire unit and make sure that all the lights are functioning properly on the Brinkley. Happy camping.